All right, guys, am I here? Whoa, let's get back. I'm back. So, I tell you what, pretty soon I'll have a new system upcoming. Are we live or are we live?
Are we live or are we live?
We are live. Why did it keep saying upcoming? So I want
We are live. Why did it keep saying upcoming?
Okay, guys. So I was wondering, it kept saying upcoming, 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 but it wasn't upcoming. Maybe I've been live. All right, guys, let's get started. What I want to do, especially since it's so late in the day, you may have just got off of work, or you may still be at work, depending on where you are in the nation. It may be at night. We don't know. But let's get started, guys. The 12-step VIP guide, Summer AEO Audit, building sustainable digital infrastructures. We're going to jump right in, guys. We're going to jump right in. Answer engine optimization. That's what AEO stands for. Answer engine optimization, or I'll still like ask engine optimization because you ask, and I also like AI engine optimization. Whichever one you want to say, guys, answer engine optimization, it seems to be the main one. Whichever one you want to do, guys, that's what it is. So let's get started here. This I don't have a lot of sun, so you're gonna see my glasses. It's not gonna balance like it normally does sometimes, or do I always have the screen in my eyes? We'll see. We'll have to see. But let's start with phase one, guys. Phase one: precision, data, and the AEO anchor. Step one: the NAP plus W. Name, address, phone, and website. Step two: conversational service area mapping. Step three: summer anomaly calibration. Phase two: visual information gain. Step four: the proof of life asset deployment. Step five: visual spatial anchoring. Step six: the 30-second summer signal. Phase three: seeding the answer engine, the human spark. Step seven: proactive Q&A seeding. Step eight: the first 10 words strategy. Step nine: contextual review weaving. Phase four: digital sustainability and green content. Step 10: the legacy asset update. Step 11: conversational service expansion. Phase 5: the master alignment bridge. Step 12: cross platform alignment and the billion view standard. I tell you what, guys. So I wanted to read that out first because I think what I'm going to do every time I come in with some information, a lesson, thanks for coming in, information, a lesson, or something that you need, I'm going to give you a list first, just in case I start to go off. Just in case I start to tell a story or give an example, you know exactly what we're talking about. So get ready. So you see what we're talking about, the 12 steps, the VIP guide, Summer AEO. Now, when you look at these steps, you can use some of them for any business in this AEO or for the AI upgrade, but these are more specifically for your Google business profile. You can have a website, you can have different apps and different platforms, but you still need a Google business profile because you never know how much business you're leaving on the table. So you got the list, and this is what I'm about to do. We're going to go ahead and read everything that we have here, and I may let AI read it, and then we'll come back and talk about it. And then I got a few things I want to talk about, and then we'll be out of here, guys. We won't be long at all this time. We won't be long at all this time. I do want to talk a little bit about the agentic era towards the end, but let's go ahead and let this read. And we're going to start right now.
I have designed a YouTube thumbnail that combines the core concept of the 12-step Summer AEO audit with a vivid, professional style. It uses a clear, high-contrast design to emphasize the actionable nature of your guide while ensuring it catches attention in a busy feed.
Grab the wrong one, guys. Give me 1 second. Here we go.
As the reflective analyst synthesizing this next evolution of your digital infrastructure, it is clear that moving into the summer 2026 cycle requires a definitive, expanded structure. You asked to bridge this into the complete 12-step ecosystem, so I have taken your 5 core phases and unpacked them into the official 12-step VIP guide Summer AEO Audit. This perfectly aligns the human spark with machine interrogation, giving you the exact, comprehensive framework needed for the Tier 2 white paper and setting up the advanced tiers. Here is the fully synthesized, 12-step AEO Master Framework. The 12-step VIP Guide Summer AEO Audit, Building Sustainable Digital Infrastructure. I didn't just read about how Google Maps works. I have spent over a decade reverse engineering it. My wake-up call came in 2015. I had just traveled to the Western and Southern Open to see Serena Williams play, and when I returned home, I realized Google Maps had tracked and mapped my entire journey. That was the moment I saw the matrix. I needed to understand exactly how their spatial mapping and tracking algorithms functioned. By 2018, I started aggressively uploading as a Google local guide, testing what the machine favored and what it ignored. Fast forward to today, with over 1.1 billion views on my visual assets, I can tell you this: the game has fundamentally changed. We are no longer optimizing for search engines, we are optimizing for answer engines. The search landscape is actively scraping Google business profiles not just for location data, but for definitive answers to feed directly into Gemini and AI Overviews. The AI provides the scale, but human authenticity provides the ranking power. Here are the 12 steps to inject the human spark into every single data point and dominate the summer 2026 cycle.
Now, I played that first paragraph. Obviously, that was something I should have read or talked to you, but you still get it just the same. And now we're going to move on, guys. And this is going to talk to you in detail, or let's say a high level detail. Does that make sense? And then I have a full guide that I'm working on, and I'll let you know about that later. So let's go.
Phase 1. Precision data and the AEO anchor. Search algorithms no longer guess, they synthesize facts. Your foundational data must leave zero room for AI hallucination. Step 1. The NAP plus W consistency lock ensure your name, address, phone, and website are mathematically identical across the web. The AI looks for even minor discrepancies across platforms to determine digital trust. Step 2. Conversational service area mapping. Define your exact service perimeters. AI overviews prioritize businesses with explicitly defined geographic boundaries when users ask conversational, near me, or localized questions. Step 3. Summer anomaly calibration. Update your operational hours for upcoming summer holidays, July 4th, Juneteenth. Profiles reflecting recent seasonal updates are flagged by the algorithm as actively managed, highly reliable sources for live answers. Phase 2. Visual information gain. The algorithm prioritizes environmental reality over polished perfection. It is actively seeking information gain through Google's Vision AI. Step 4. The proof of life asset deployment. Remove all stock imagery. Upload high-contrast, authentic summer operations photos. If the summer sun creates a harsh lens flare on your storefront, keep it. Imperfections prove the environment is real to the machine. Step 5. Visual spatial anchoring. Secure a unique architectural perspective of the business. If a second floor view isn't possible, capture a wide aerial shot or a definitive, high-angle parking lot view to feed the AI's spatial mapping requirements. Step 6. The 30-second summer signal. Upload a raw, vertical, behind-the-scenes video showing peak summer workflow. This provides the dynamic, mobile-first spatial data required to categorize your space accurately in immersive maps views. Phase 3. Seeding the answer engine, the human spark. You cannot wait for customers to ask the right questions. You must strategically seed the exact answers that AI is looking to index. Step 7. Proactive Q&A seeding. Identify the top 3 to 5 questions customers ask during the summer. Answer them yourself using natural, authoritative language directly in the profile's Q&A section. Step 8. The first 10-word strategy for all profile updates and posts. Front-load the absolute highest value immediately. The AI scrapes the very beginning of your updates to formulate quick, definitive answers. Step 9. Contextual review weaving. When responding to reviews, use the human spark to weave in specific operational details. Instead of a generic, "Thanks for the review," write, "Thank you for trusting us with your custom patio build this July." This trains the AI on your exact seasonal services. Phase 4. Digital sustainability and green content. Stop creating digital waste that vanishes from the feed in 24 hours. Focus on legacy assets that compound over time. Step 10. The legacy asset update. Identify your highest viewed profile image from the past year. Take a fresh, strategically similar photo this summer to signal to the algorithm that the authority of that asset is being maintained, verified, and updated. Step 11. Conversational service expansion. Detail your seasonal services in the Services tab using 2 to 3 sentence, benefit-driven descriptions. Do not keyword stuff. Write exactly how you would explain it to a customer standing right in front of you. Phase 5. The Master Alignment Bridge. To elevate this audit, this final step connects the localized seasonal updates to your broader digital ecosystem. Step 12. Cross-platform alignment and the billion view standard. Ensure your YouTube, LinkedIn, and core website are broadcasting the exact same summer updates. The AI cross-references your Google business profile against your wider digital footprint to verify authority. Audit every uploaded asset by asking, does this piece of content provide enough unique data to justify staying live for the next 2,190 days? Next steps and premium execution. Tier 3. The VIP Guide Visual Canvas. Get the complete, detailed Canva, Corel Draw schematic.
And that's something I'm working on for you guys. But so as you see, I have the 12 steps on making your Google business profile much better. And now I'm going to do, you know what I'm going to do? What I was going to do was read and tell you what I think, but we're going to try AI. I want to show you this right here. And then we're going to ask some questions, and watch this, guys. And then we're going to get into AI agents just to give you just a little taste of that. And then we will be out of here. So let's see. I'm going to Canvas. If you use Gemini, and I think ChatGPT has something called Canvas as well. This is pretty good. So watch this. I just pasted all of this information, my 12 steps here. And I'm gonna take out these all of this stuff that I'm working on for you guys behind the scenes. And that 2,190 days, I have an image that is been on Kroger's for like 6 years. Kroger is a store here in Cincinnati, a brand. It's the brands all across the nation. But one of the images, and I'll see if I can find it, one of the images that I captured is still up there after 6 or so years. So that's just, it's really wild. It was a good enough image that they decided to keep it. Thanks for coming in, guys. Yes, I would like you. Can you hear me, Gemini? Okay, give it a second, guys. Yes. Can you hear me? Okay, let's try this again, guys. Hey, Gemini, I want to take this information and create a publication. Let's extend each, really? Okay, so bear with me, guys. I'm gonna have to type it in. Really? Come on, Gemini. Can you hear me? 1, 2, 3. I'll try that one more time. Let's go at the bottom. Gemini, can you hear me? This is Greg Reese. You said, hey, Greg, what's on your mind? Is there a pop-up or something? All right. Anyway, guys, so I'll have to type it in. I would like to take this information and expand with details for each phase. Phase and step. All right, guys. Now watch this. This is crazy. This is somewhat like a agentic workflow, but not exactly, because I still had to prompt it. Here we go. This is called Google Gemini Canvas. I certainly can help you expand the AEO Master Framework. This structure is solid, and the human spark concept combined with your backstory makes a compelling read. Here is an expanded guide. I have added detailed context, actionable steps, and technical reasons, the why. Really? Not sure why I put it this way. All right. Thank you for the information. Thank you for the information. Thank you for the info. Please let me see it in another format. Okay, guys. It gave it to me as code, so I guess it was expecting me to put it into a site. I'm not sure. Normally, with what Canvas will do is everything will pop to the side. There we go. There we go. Thank you, Gemini. And as it pops to the side, then why is it trying to give it to me in the app? All right, guys. Just a little technical difficulties here. Not sure why it's trying to give it to me in an app, but let's see what it does. AEO dashboard. So normally, hey, nice lady, I'm not sure. Can you hear me now? I was actually thinking, because it's not. Thanks for coming in. I don't know why it's really doing a something today. Thanks for coming in. It's creating a format that I didn't want. I just wanted an actual publication format, but let's see what this looks like. I mean, it looks better. So it looks like it's interactive. Looks like this is going to be interactive, which I didn't want it to be interactive either, guys. But let me see something. Yeah, it's giving us an interactive preview, and that's not what I wanted. Well, guys, I didn't expect this. let's see. Please just make it a regular publication format. Please make it a regular publication format. Guys, I tell you what, as I advance and my system stays the same, sometimes it freezes, I guess. Please create a publication format. All right, guys, let's see what's going on. Thanks for coming in, nice lady. I appreciate you. And most of the time, I put information into Canvas, it gives me a certain format. And today, it did not. So we're going to see what happens. But you know what? So at the very beginning, I started out with my list, and I said I'm gonna get right through this. And I guess there's always something. So basically, what we wanted to do, guys, is I wanted to take those 12 steps and those 5 phases, and expand. And I wanted to show you how Gemini was going to expand, and now it's just everything's going like it's going. So bear with me for a little bit more, guys, and if it doesn't step out of the situation here, then we'll end the live. But at least at the very beginning, you were able to, oh snap, oh snap. All right, guys, what's going on? That's funny. All right, guys. Well, so since we have some dead air here, let's go with these agents for a minute. While that's deciding what it's going to do, I'm going to switch real quick to talking about, I guess I'm not. Okay, guys, we're going to reboot, and we're going to come back later, and hopefully everything will be finished. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'll start to, if it's something I want to share, I like the aspect of you watching, kind of being interactive with me, you watching me create right in front of you. But I guess I'm just going to have to create before and have it ready, because I don't like this at all. So there we go, guys. I thank you so much. Thanks for coming in. Nice lady. I appreciate you for being with the channel. And we're going to get out of here, but we're freezing up. And make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you share everything you need to do on this channel. And I appreciate you.